welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today, I am going to make you my atomic wing sauce. Hey, let me tell you, it gets hot. This is for all you hot mamas out there. So, I'm going to make you a habanero sauce. It's called the atomic wing sauce, or the atomic meatball wing sauce. But meatballs and wings kind of don't go together. But anyway, I'm getting off the subject. I'm going to make my atomic wing sauce, and I got TikTok's Kevin Dunnn here to do the atomic wing challenge on Cooking with Frankie Meatball.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Chris Scott from Worst Bakers America, Season 2.
Hey guys, it's Louisa Sharamatian here, aka the Armenian Princess from Worst Cooks in America, Season 20, and you're watching Cooking with Frankie Meatball.
Your wing should be cut, right? But for those that don't know about this rub, I put this on everything. I put it on my chicken, I put it on my ribs, I put it on my brisket, and I put it on my shoulders. Anything I barbecue or smoke, I use this. I use this in my buffalo sauce. Guys, you could use it too. We got those, email me. Here's the email address. And don't forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. But anyway, you get your rub, Frankie Meatball rub. But I just want to give this away for free so everybody can taste what the meatballs got, hey? So anyway, you take your Frankie Meatball rub and you want to just throw it on your wings. Get that on there nice and nice. This is how I want my wings to look like. You could go a little heavier, you could go a little lighter. But look at that beautiful seasoning on there. Frankie Meatball seasoning. Get your rub, get your seasoning, guys. Philly Rock Radio got theirs. You need to get yours. Senior hockey player, sauce time. But anyway, Flyers are back. Hockey is back. I'm telling you, I think this is our year. Let's go Flyers. You start off with 2 nice sized cloves of garlic. And this was extra, so I'm going to throw that in. You know how to open your garlic? Boom. Boom. Alright, up. Habanero. I was getting ready to cut it, but wait. Before we cut it, we need something. Use gloves, guys. Because I'm telling you, when you cut this, whatever you touch, forget about it. I don't have gloves, so I'm going to use a sandwich bag to touch it. We're going to cut that off, okay? We're going to cut it in half. Then we're going to take all the stuff out of it. Okay? We're going to take all that stuff out of it. Oh my God, it smells so good. I love the smell of habaneros, and I love the taste of habaneros. Chop it up. Chop it up nice and fine, guys. I have my habanero chopped finely, my garlic chopped finely. I got some finely chopped onion left over from last night's dinner, so I'm going to use that. If you don't have it left over from last night's dinner, finely chop yourself some onion. You don't need the whole onion, you need a little bit, all right? Then you need, remember, half a stick of butter, Frank's hot sauce, 16 ounces of Frank's hot sauce or any kind of hot sauce you want, and then my atomic stuff. This is called Wicked Nightmare. This is wicked hot. All right, you over at your pot? Let's put some oil. We're going to put a little more oil than normal. Let's put this on a low flame, okay? We're going to put it low. Drop our garlic in there. We're going to drop our onion, some of our onion in there. Again, onion is optional. You don't have to put it. I like putting it. So that's what I do. Because I do what I do. Now, you want to get yourself some sugar. If you want it sweet, okay? Put some sugar in it. I like it with the habanero sauce because habaneros, peppers, they're like a fruity pepper. I believe the sugar and honey bring more out of the fruitness. And then when you got a lot of heat, you got that sweet. It goes together really, really good. What you want to do is you want to move the garlic around so it doesn't burn, okay? It just, I'm feeling that's a little high, so we're going to lower it to low, low, low. All right? So we got that on right here. Boom. You drop your habanero pepper in. Pull it around. You don't want nothing to burn. For my dad, no, Dad, this is not a jalapeno pepper. You remember the chili, the jalapenos, the jalapenos, you call them jalapenos. And then salsa, you call slasher. And we all got our own, you know what I mean, we got our own language. Just keep cooking it all low. This way we can infuse the oil with the spices of the habanero. If you do this with a Carolina Reaper, word of advice, open your windows and have an exhaust fan. Trust me, David Monticola from Mach 22 will tell you. Like I told you guys, I put this in everything. You can put about that much. You don't have to put something in. You can just use salt and pepper. But I'm using the Frankie Meatball barbecue rub. Now we cook our pepper and we want to infuse all that flavor into that oil. You take it off the heat, leave it on the heat, but I'm taking it off the heat so I can put, remember, a half a stick of butter to 16 ounces of your favorite hot sauce. Put it back on the heat, let her melt, okay? Just keep letting that melt. Go Flyers! Go Flyers! Watch out, Toronto! Now we got just about melted, right? We're gonna throw 16 ounces. I got an 8-ounce measuring cup. That's 1. And another 8 makes 16. Hey! Frankie Meatball can do math. Alright, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn the flame up just a bit because we want to get that sauce bubbling. We want to get that sauce cooking. This is it. Huh? Wicked Nightmare. That even sounds bad. It says caution. 2 million Scoville units. I'll tell you what. Know what it should say? Caution. Your race is going to burn. Any hot sauce that comes in an eyedropper, we're going to go 1, 2, 3. And then just mix her in. And that's plenty, guys. So, basically, this sauce is gonna rock you. It's gonna roll you. And don't forget, for all your rock and roll needs, Philly Rock Radio, guys. I'm taking my sauce outside and barbecuing the wings here on Cooking Frankie Meatball. We're gonna cook our wings on the barbecue. I don't like fried wings, but if you like your wings fried, you fry them. You want to put them in the oven, you put them in the oven. But today, it's nice, we're hanging outside. My special guest is getting ready to come on, but I'm going to throw these wings on, and I'll be right back. We got these wings cooking, okay? I'd like to bring out a very special guest, a new good friend of mine, Dunnn. You might know him from TikTok. You might know him from YouTube. Here he is. God, my man, thanks for being on Cooking with Frankie Meatball.
Glad to be on.
Why don't you tell these guys what Dunnn is all about?
Alright, so I'm on TikTok at Dunnn with 3 N's, and pretty much I lift weights. I go to the gym with Sperry's and short shorts, bathing suits. That's pretty much like my thing.
He's got a thing. Everybody's got a thing, right?
Yeah.
You gotta have a thing.
I put my own personality into the lifting world.
I want you guys to go look him up. If you don't know who he is, I'm telling you, guy is good. He's just giving me all the educations of lifting, but I think my lifting days are over. The only thing I want to lift is a nice cold one, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So Ben, let's tell these guys about what you do, about your charities, and the reason why you like donating to some charities?
All right, so my grandmom has Alzheimer's disease, and like I've seen since before I left to college, I've seen her disease progress and just see her progressively lose more and more memory, and it's affecting us. Like pretty much everyone in our family, our lives are pretty much revolving around her and her memory loss. So I've seen how it can affect a family. I just want to do something about it. So I had a following on TikTok, so I thought, why not use it for something good? And I raised $8,700 for the Alzheimer's Association using my platform, just making videos about it and plugging my Venmo, which I would donate all that money to the Alzheimer's Association.
Very nice.
Yeah.
You see me make my atomic sauce. I got the wings cooking, okay? For every wing my man eats, I'm going to donate $10 for his cause, for the Alzheimer's. And I know this guy can eat. He did the chip challenge, right?
Yeah, the hot chip challenge. So do you think this is hotter than the one chip?
Oh, absolutely.
Really?
And it tastes better, trust me.
All right.
So
I
what
might
I
not
did,
get 10 then.
I got this sauce that I add to my buffalo sauce. It's called Wicked Nightmare. For every drop is 2 million Scoville units, and I kind of put 3 drops in the atomic sauce.
Right.
Alzheimer's not just affects the person, it affects the family.
Yeah. It can affect the family more than the person. Like, you get what I'm saying with that. Like, that's pretty much what everyone's lives are revolving around right now.
And for those that want to donate to the cause, donate in your...
So
where would they go?
just alz.org/donate. I reached out to my fraternity at Penn State, and we're trying to set up a fundraising account. I named it Marsha's Memories because my grandma's name is Marsha, so just for some alliteration. And it's not live yet. Hopefully during the school year they can make it happen, and I'll be doing some stuff for fundraising up there.
Okay, cool. And when that goes on, where could we find out to donate money to Marsha's memory?
Yeah, so like I just plan on doing like fundraising events there. So stuff like pay $5 to pie me in the face and stuff like that.
Okay.
It's like.
So and where would they be able to find out about these events that you're going to be holding?
Honestly, I don't know too much right now, but I guess through like Penn State's website.
All right, so we'll go to...
Or it would be like on my Instagram and my TikTok if I did anything like that. So
follow this guy. We're cooking these wings, and we'll be back on Cooking with Ben Dunnn. Wings are just about done. Take a look at this, huh? They're about done for done. For Ben Dunnn, they're going to be done. How done? Well done. Done good. I'm going to plate these. I'm going to sauce these. And my man right here is going to eat these. All right, now I'm going to take the wings off, okay?
Yeah, I got this, bro.
All right, I'm not messing with somebody that looks like that, you know what I'm saying? I'll throw the sauce on them, my man. We'll do a little teamwork. I'm going to sauce these atomic wings, and we'll be back. He told you his story. He told you about his Instagram. He told you about his TikTok. He told you about his YouTube. And most importantly, he told you about the charity that he likes to donate. So for every atomic wing, over 2 million Scoville units per wing, he is going to eat. I will give him $10 to Alzheimer's charity. Let's do it, man.
Ready?
Let's start. So we're on one.
It tastes good.
How's the sauce? Good? Very nice? Mm-hmm. Guys, here's a guy that can eat.
These are really good.
Here's a guy that can eat anything hot. That's what I was told by dudes by the water. Frankie Meatball throw down, or could Frankie Meatball throw down?
Just like the chicken's perfectly cooked. Dude, the most important thing about building muscle is being able to eat.
And what's that? 4 wings so far? Here's 5.
Still hasn't hit me yet.
My man is on his 6th wing, and he says the Scoville units, the heat, didn't even hit him yet.
Dude, I had 2 Carolina Reapers once.
Explain to these guys, what do you think?
I mean, I haven't had wings in a while, but these are the best wings I've had since I can remember eating wings. This is the kind of taste I like.
It's hot, right? But it's got taste.
If you sold this sauce in the store, I'd buy it.
Uh-oh. He's down to his last 2. You know what? He's got it. There's no doubt in my mind. Here's to old-timers, huh? Look at that. Let him finish that. What? Uh-oh, he's slowing down. Is he slowing down or what?
No chance.
No chance. The last one. Here we go. Can he finish it? You're getting a little red. I gotta admit. All right, Ben. Hey, I'm a man of my word. There's $100 to old timers.
Thank you, brother.
All right, and anybody wants to donate, please. Whether it's $5, $2, anything, please go to Old Timers. Please donate to this cause. It will help your family out and a bunch of other families out, okay? If you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on our bell notification button so you get notified every time there's a video out. And follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and don't forget to go to PhillyRockRadio.com for all your heavy metal and 80s rock needs and local needs like my 22 and Rat Rod.
Follow me on TikTok at ben.dunn with 3 N's on the Dunn. Ben Dunn with 2 N's is a different Ben Dunn. Some politicians... Dude, the top researchers estimated that, like, if we really focus on it, Alzheimer's can be a thing of the past in the next 5 years. Elon Musk is doing great stuff with Neuralink, so I really do think that these donations are going somewhere.
Here's a little bottle for you of Frankie Meatball barbecue rub. You can put that on anything. I'm telling you, I put it in my barbecue rub. I put it in my sauce, my barbecue sauce, everything. I'm telling you, any kind of meat, you put that on, you want to grill something, just throw some on. Forget about it. All right, so there you have it. Donate to Old Timers. I'm telling you guys, like you said, follow them with 3 N's on Dunnn, right? Is that 3 N's on Dunnn?
Yeah, 3 N's.
3 N's on Dunnn. I'm going to tell you what. We got to tell these guys. Should we tell these guys?
Yeah, let's tell them.
Until next time. Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.